Alright everybody, welcome back. Just want to do a quick video showing you these flaps. Pretty simple. Show you what I did here. Unplug this. Seems to get warm. Oh well. Anyway, so it comes with this little bracket that mounts to the top of your servo, and then you take a shaft. It's got a little flat spot on it. It's kind of hard to see. I'm in your light. There we go. And then that just simply goes in here like this, and then you tighten the set screw down. You got this little bend that there's a hole and a grooved spot with ply on both sides, the top and the bottom of the flap. And then there's a brass tube that runs in the center here towards the servo opening. So it's pretty simple. Slide the tube in, put the flap on, and what it does is when it hooks to the servo, the rotation does that. So that's down and that's level. It's simply, and it's not even a half of, it's more like a quarter of a turn is all it takes to get the. It's not a full rotation, so you're going to really have to cut down your endpoint for this. And then, anyways, I took one of the large round servo horns. I don't have any metal, so since it's a rotation, I think it'll be fine using the plastic, and we'll see. Hopefully it won't strip or anything. I don't have any metal ones. I don't even know of any metal. Anybody that makes metal round ones, I'd have to do a search for them. But essentially, took 2.5 millimeter bolts and some little lock nuts and bolted it to the apparatus. You gotta do your best to get it lined up. So that's why I liked using the round ones, because it was marked with a line, plus it has, the measurements on the wheel. So I put it right on the line and lined it up perfect. So when it rotates, it's perfect. It's rotating on the axis, because if you get it off any, you'll bind. And then essentially, it slides in. Get it in there. There we go. There we go. And plug it in, just to kind of show you guys. And then you'll put two little L brackets in here, but I'm just kind of holding it right now, so you can kind of see the flap. Only about half the throw is all you needed. And like I said, the only thing I don't like about it is when it's in the down position, there is some slop in there. But some of that's just the hole inside the thing, so when you tighten the set screw, it'll go away. But yeah, and that's the full deflection right there, 20 degrees. So about 3/4 of the servo throw is what you actually need, so it's not too bad. And it's not a lot of torque. I probably went overkill in the servo, but we'll see. And that's essentially what it is. And you take some L brackets. Take this off. L brackets will go right there like that. And then you have to be careful when you go down, because if you have too long of a screw, you'll come out the top of the wing. They did provide you. Where are they at? I was wondering what these were for. I asked on RC Universe, and one of the other guys that has one told me it's a shim. It's just G10 material. And if if you use different servo that's smaller or something, and you need to basically, to get that servo lined up with that shaft, you may have to come up higher. And that's what these are for. So I'm not even going to use them, because the Fataba servo lines up perfect. So, and that's it. And then your spoiler one goes right here. Actually, I take that back. Where's it at? Nope. Flap goes here, or slat, and then the other flap servo goes in here, or the spoiler servo goes in here, and it controls it. So you have to kind of finagle it up in there. So slat, flap, and then spoiler goes in there, which is why I'm glad I went with one of these small mini servos. It's got like, what is it? What did I go with? It's like 115 ounces of torque at 7.4 volts. So plenty of torque for those spoilers. So, and it's a real small servo. It'll fit in there nicely. But that's it. My battery's about to die. You guys take it easy.